my god. I don't want any more I don't want to get any more like animal, but I want like a princess. So let's see what we got. No, it's not princess. When I bought this, I saw this was made to a princess. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna open. One, we're gonna take them together. And this is the result. This is not an animal. It's an insert free. Insert this. Look, you can take it like a frisbee. I don't know the name. Like a frisbee. Let's take the plant to here. Boom. Okay, let's take the boy one. Okay, this is for boys. I think this is orange. Not red, yellow one. Okay. Open. Wow! What a beautiful creature. Let's set it here. Open the one. Okay, so one. This is a frisbee. What beautiful! These are three connections of a parrot. Let's frisbee. Look, how beautiful. Okay, let's let them here. Let's open to this one. A yellow one? I can't believe it. These are yellow. See what we got? We got animal. The same one. This is the same one like this. Like this. Okay, let's open it. Put it here and let's open it. Okay, the first one we are gonna fit this. Check how it. Oh my god, another asteroid. Look at the background. It is not the same like this. Look, here it's not this, is this. Here are two planets, and there are three planets. It's not the same. Can we split it together? One. Let's split together. One, two, three. Oh, is it here? Oh, is it here? Do it later. Okay, open the third one. Oh, orange one. Oh, yes, an orange one. Only with yellow. I don't want to need only with yellow. And here. A dragon. It's a minion. Oh my god. Open. Look. Illumination present. Million, the rise of Gru. Here's the little Gru. So here we have this one. This minion. The first bit, I can do it. I can do it. So this is a little bit of hard things. Wow! Look at this minion. Rat. I'm gonna eat you, everyone. Okay, let's let it do. So you can open the last and the fourth one. This is the last one. Kinder Boys. It's yellow one. I know it. Let's see what we got. Open it this. By buying this thing. Oh, it's a racing car. I'm gonna give it this to my brother. Okay. Let's start. Hey. Oh my god, look what I got doing. Racing car. My brother off racing car, so let's see. This is for girls and not for girls. Let's open it. I knew it. This is orange, not yellow, but orange. Let's let it. The chocolate here. I take the chocolate and let it here. Aurora! I got this. It's a princess. I know this is princess. I got an Aurora. I have one Aurora there in my bedroom. I have one Aurora. Oh my god! I can't believe it. I can make an end. I myself. I can't believe it. Another Aurora. Okay, let's start. Aurora is my favorite princess. So I was thinking about Snow White. How can I get a Snow White? Snow White and I finished it! One princess. Shush, everyone. Okay, these two we're gonna open later. These 2 eggs from Kinder Joy, we're gonna open it later. Okay, these 2 eggs we're gonna open later and we're gonna see the last video. Bye guys, have a good day.